Water can accumulate in the bilge for a variety of reasons, be it rain, a leaking valve, or a through-hole inlet. To pump out this water as quickly as possible, an electric bilge pump can be used. Some bilge pumps feature a float switch or contact switch, which automatically detects the current water level and switches the pump on and off without you needing to lift a finger. The float switch can be outside or inside the pump. Other bilge pumps are operated classically via an external switch. The following accessories are required to connect a bilge pump correctly: a strong hose that does not contract under pressure, matching hose clamps to connect the hose to the bilge pump, an appropriate fuse installed in the positive line, and waterproof cable connections to avoid possible corrosion. A bilge pump should be able to pump out more water than can enter, e.g. via a drain hole. The manufacturer's specifications for pumping capacity often refer to its ability to pump water while horizontal and from a fully charged battery. However, the pump must be able to reach a certain discharge head to compensate for the distance between the lowest point of the boat and the waterline. In our test, we put 10 bilge pumps through their paces, each from different manufacturers but with approximately the same pumping capacity. The conditions: reach a discharge head of exactly 1 metre and measure the time needed to pump 50 litres of water. The following technical data refers to the manufacturer's specifications. Our test shows that in addition to general output power, the size of the hose diameter also plays a decisive role. The larger the hose diameter, the higher the pumping capacity. Overall, a bilge pump is a must on every boat. In the event of an unexpected leak, an electric bilge pump ensures a much higher level of safety.